Okay, so either someone at Google hit publish way too early, or they just don't care about secrets anymore because the Pixel 10 lineup just leaked the lie from inside Google's own app. Yeah, we're not talking about blurry renders or shady Twitter leakers. This is an official promo banner that showed up right inside the Google Play Store. And once you see what it reveals, oh, things get way more interesting than anyone expected. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love smart leaks, weird marketing fails, and sneak peeks at the next big tech drop, go ahead, like the video, share it with your crew, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the juicy stuff we've got coming up. So what exactly did Google accidentally show us? Well, for starters, the entire Pixel 10 lineup. 4 phones front and center, the regular Pixel 10, the Pro XL, and wait for it, a Pixel 10 Pro Fold.
Yes.
A foldable. From Google. It's not a rumor anymore. It's literally on their own platform. And here's where things get wild. That banner didn't just show off phones. It included a 50 early bird discount and an expiration date of October 13th, which, spoiler alert, is before the phones are even officially announced. It's like someone at Google just said, leaks are inevitable. Let's just drop the whole thing now and deal with it later. But look closer and you'll notice something else. The colors. The 3 Pro models are rocking this muted, almost icy shade that lines up with the rumored moonstone finish, a kind of foggy blue that's, well, a bit divisive. Meanwhile, the base Pixel 10 is the real standout with this bold indigo blue that actually pops off the screen. Finally, some personality. And if you're wondering whether this is a one-time goof, nope. Google's actually done this before. Remember the Pixel 8 teaser last year that dropped months ahead of launch? Google's kind of embracing this weird antique surprise strategy. If the leaks are coming anyway, why not own it? Now here's where the fun multiplies. We're not just getting phones. Rumors are stacking up for 4 more launches at Google's August 20th event. Pixel Watch 4. Yeah, Pixel Buds A2, very likely. A new wireless charger, possibly Key 2 ready. Oh, and let's not forget Magic Q, Google's next-gen AI assistant that could completely change how Pixel phones feel day to day. Hold up, Magic what? Okay, so picture this. Your phone knows you better than you know yourself. It suggests apps before you even reach for them. It helps plan your day, write texts, summarize emails, and edit your photos, all without shouting, "Hey Google," every 5 seconds. Magic Q is built on Gemini AI, and it's supposed to be smarter, faster, and way more private, running in a secure, isolated chip so your data doesn't leak into the cloud. But let's circle back to hardware for a second, because the real headline might be what's changing under the hood of the Pixel 10. The biggest news, Google's finally cutting the cord from Samsung Foundry and building its own chip from the ground up, introducing the Tensor G5 made by TSMC on a Thurn-M process. That means better performance, way less heat, and battery life that doesn't flinch halfway through the day. And this chip isn't just about speed, it's about AI muscle. With full control, Google can finally optimize the whole system, from camera magic to real-time translations, to work exactly the way they envisioned it. Imagine night sight that processes in milliseconds, or live captions that can predict what someone's about to say. And if you're into photography, you're gonna love this. For the first time ever, the regular Pixel 10 is getting a telephoto lens. That's right, no need to buy the Pro just for zoom anymore. And paired with a new hybrid telemacro mode, you'll be able to capture crazy, detailed close-ups with depth. No more mushy, soft macro shots from ultra-wide lenses that just guess the focus. But that's not all. Google's bringing Pro-level video stabilization to the Pixel 10 lineup. Rumored to be so good that your walking vlogs or handheld shots might look like they were shot on a gimbal. Smooth, stable cinematic extra gear required. Now this part might sound boring, but it's not. Google is fixing screen flicker issues by improving PWM dimming, which is huge if your eyes get sore from long sessions. Whether you're watching late-night videos or just doom scrolling under the covers, this will feel way better. And yes, wireless charging is finally getting an upgrade too. Thanks to the new Qi 2 standard, the Pixel 10 will support faster charging with better efficiency and less heat. You might need a special magnetic case for it to work perfectly. But hey, it's still a much-needed boost. So when you zoom out and look at the full picture, this leak didn't just spoil the surprise, it ignited the hype. 4 phones, a foldable, a fully custom chip, AI that actually feels smart, better cameras, better displays, better everything. Google might have leaked the Pixel 10 on accident. But what they showed, it's no accident that people are suddenly way more interested. And we haven't even hit August 20th yet.